story time. So when I picked up this Mustang from this fellow that was about 2 hours away from me, obviously I didn't drive it. I actually had to trailer this thing home. And at the time I had my uncle with me, actually, because he drives a semi-truck for a living. He seemed like the perfect person to go with me because he's got experience driving trailers. Me personally, no experience driving trailers or pulling a trailer behind my truck. So he was there the whole time, made the whole process super easy, kind of taught me how to do everything. Very important. Well, I'm having an issue with the title to this vehicle, which is why it's still sitting here untouched. Title's still good, it's just an out-of-state title. So I have to get the vehicle inspected in order to get a title put in my name. By inspected, all they're gonna do is make sure the VIN number matches the title. B&V is 2 miles away. I don't think I'm gonna drive this thing 2 miles. It just seems like a bad idea. So I gotta trailer it again. Well, that uncle that helped me was in town for that weekend. Well, he's all the way back in Oklahoma now. So I'm gonna have to do this on my own. So this will be my second time backing a trailer into my driveway, which is not fun. And pulling this vehicle up on a trailer that doesn't have a winch. I gotta start it and drive it on the trailer when the engine's at 2,000 RPM because of some kind of massive vacuum leak. And the brakes don't brake. All right, well, let's do this. I'm gonna die. The main purpose of me needing you is to tell me when to stop. Okay. But still direct me. If it looks like I'm about to run off, you know, obviously stop me. She is not thrilled. Not feeling this at all. That's fine. I understand, I guess. Roll this window half-ass down. Small. Oh shit. Does that thing flip down?
I have no idea.
Yeah, there's a handle there.
Well, how do I do it?
Pull up on the handle. Like, there we go. And then do the other side. She got in the car like we're about to leave or something. That's the guy. Make sure I don't dump this thing. Hair flip. All right. All right, I think we're there. Man, these taillights are ugly. All righty, so let's get this thing towed to the title office and try to get this thing put in my name so I can actually get some work done to it. Well, we got it done. No major issues. Got the title on my name, so now I can actually start working on this thing. First, I gotta get it unhooked. Oh, this. Oh, come on. Oh. Brake. Power steering start making noise. Oh God. Well. Man, these brakes suck so bad. You know, we're just gonna call that good. Yeah, we're gonna call that good. That was precarious as hell. Oh, there's a new dent. That'll be fine. All right, let's drop this trailer off and I'll be back. Got it. So now that I have the title, I can actually start getting somewhere on this thing. I just didn't want to start working on it, and it probably would have been fine to wait, honestly, but why risk it, honestly? I could get all this stuff done on this car and get it complete and go to put it in my name and can't, for who knows what reason. Time to go ahead and get started on it. So first order of business, next video, I'm gonna start pulling the front end off of this thing. Pull the hood, front end off, and start getting it ready to pull the motor and get those shock towers repaired. Keen-eyed viewers may see I did pick up a little something for it. I'll show those on another video. I can say that they're pretty dope. So I appreciate you guys for stopping by. I know this was a quick video. Like I said, I'm documenting everything this time around. So even the little trip to the title office to get this thing finally put in my name, I even documented that. So I don't want there to be any gaps if I can help it in the whole process of bringing this car back to life. You saw the light just go off, right? Okay, just making sure it wasn't just me. So, as in the last video, if you guys wouldn't mind subscribing, that would be fantastic. I have four subscribers right now. Seeing as how I only have like 20 views total, I say 4 subscribers is actually pretty good. So we'll see what happens. All right, well, I appreciate you guys for stopping by, and we'll play again.